Welcome 4th standard children. This is revision to nouns. Let's move to the story. Once there was a flock of birds flying in the sky. They saw some grains scattered in the land. They eagerly came down and ate the grains. Later they realized that they were trapped in the net. They were shocked. One of the bird, it was very old, and it thought for a while and it said another birds to fly together. If they fly together, they can fly with the net. So they flew together at the same time with the net, and they needed the help of their friend rat. They flew in the sky and they reached the rat's place. They landed the place and the rat came out and helped the birds to get rid of trapping. The rat cut the net with its tooth. So every bird became free. This is the story, children. Hope you do have understood. Unity is strength, and we should always respect our elders' word. Okay, children, let us move to the class. First, let you know what is a noun. Noun is the name of a person or place or things. Name of a person, place or things is called noun. There are kinds of nouns. They are common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. Common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. In this class you are going to learn some nouns, common noun, proper noun, collective noun and abstract noun. Let us see what is a common noun. A common noun names any person or any place or anything or any idea. It denotes something in common. The first letters are not capitalized unless they come at the beginning of a sentence. Example, teacher. Common noun denotes any person, any place, anything, any idea, and it does not begin with a capital letter. Proper noun, this is the second one. It mentions the specific name of a person, specific name of a place and the specific name of a thing. It always begins with a capital letter wherever it occurs, even in the middle of the sentence. Here is a collective noun. Collective means collection. Name of a group of person or group of things or group of animal or group of anything is called collective noun. Some examples. This is our class and army of ants, colony of ants. Okay. And the next one is abstract noun. An abstract noun is a thing that you cannot see or touch or place in a box. If you can't touch, you cannot place it, you cannot hold it. Okay. So I have given you in a smart way. You cannot touch, you cannot see, you cannot taste, you cannot smell and you cannot hear. These are all the examples of abstract noun. Bravery, health, freedom. These are examples You can imagine, you cannot see them, you cannot touch them, and you cannot taste them. You only can feel them. Okay, hope you would have understood, children. Here are the sentences for you. Try to identify the highlighted words, what kind of noun they are. I met my uncle at the post office. The boy went up the hill. What is the capital of your city? I took my pet to a vet. It's a sacred book. Okay, children, hope you do have understood. Let us meet in another class. We have completed the revision 2 of nouns in this class. Thank you, children. Goodbye.